Narrator. Money. It's either working for you or against you. And for most people, it's the latter. Ever wondered where your paycheck disappears before the month ends? You're not alone. The average young adult in the US spends over $150 per month on things they don't even remember buying. But what if I told you that one simple app on your phone could change everything? Act 1. The setup. Introducing Google Wallet as the solution. Narrator. Enter Google Wallet, your financial sidekick that isn't just for making quick payments, but a tool that can transform the way you manage, save, and even grow your money. And today I'll show you exactly how to use it to build wealth, step by step. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint for financial success. Narrator. Or, you could keep letting your bank account play hide and seek with your money. Your call. Point 1. Organizing and tracking spending. Narrator. Let's start with the basics. Tracking your money. The scariest thing about personal finance? Not knowing where your money is going. But Google Wallet automatically categorizes your spending. Food, shopping, subscriptions, you name it. It's like having a financial truth serum in your pocket. Point 2. Smart budgeting and limits. Scene. A user setting spending limits in Google Wallet and getting notifications when nearing the cap. Narrator. Here's where it gets powerful. Budgeting. No, I don't mean that old-school, painful spreadsheet stuff. I mean setting smart limits inside Google Wallet. It'll warn you before you overspend. Imagine having a built-in accountability partner that actually stops you from buying that 4th iced coffee this week. Pattern interrupt, light-hearted tone. Narrator. Or hey, maybe you love spending $7 on a cup of liquid regret. Who am I to judge? Point 3. Automating savings and rewards. Scene. Google Wallet transferring money to savings automatically and showing cashback rewards accumulating. Narrator. Want to save money without even trying? Google Wallet can round up your purchases and transfer the difference into savings. It also helps you earn cashback and rewards on purchases. Because why spend your money when you can spend Google's? Point 4. Google Wallet and investing. Narrator. This is where the real wealth building begins. Google Wallet integrates with investment platforms, allowing you to put your extra money into stocks, ETFs, or even crypto. This means every dollar you save can become a dollar you grow. And if you're not investing yet, let me hit you with a cold, hard truth. Inflation is eating your money alive every single day you don't. Narrator. Wait, did I just say inflation? Yep. And trust me, it's more terrifying than your student loan balance. Narrator. So, let's recap. Google Wallet isn't just a payment app. It's your all-in-one financial weapon. Track your money, set spending limits, automate savings, earn rewards, and invest for your future. Do this consistently, and you'll be light years ahead of most people your age. Narrator. Click right here to learn about the single most powerful financial principle that turns small savings into massive wealth. The power of compounding. Don't sleep on this. Your future self will thank you. See you there.